Welcome to the first of 3 tutorials on IFRS 18, presented by AARO Academy. In this video, we'll explore the core principles and objectives of this significant new standard in financial reporting. IFRS 18 aims to enhance transparency, clarity, and consistency in financial statements, making it easier for investors and creditors to compare financial performance across companies. IFRS 18 standardizes the format and content of financial statements, ensuring that all companies reporting under IFRS present their financial data in a uniform manner. This makes it easier for investors and creditors to compare financial performance across different companies. By having a standardized format, users of financial statements can quickly and easily find the information they need. A major goal of IFRS 18 is to provide clear insights into a company's profitability, drivers, and trends. This is achieved by mandating specific subtotals and categories within the income statement. For example, subtotals like operating profit or loss in profit, before financing and income taxes, offer a more detailed view of a company's financial health. IFRS 18 ensures that financial statements are consistent across different reporting periods and companies. This uniformity helps reduce confusion and simplifies the analysis process. Uniform presentation and disclosure requirements mean that users can expect the same type of information presented in the same way, regardless of the company. To summarize, IFRS 18 is designed to improve transparency, clarity, and consistency in financial reporting. Understanding these core principles is crucial for effectively implementing the new standard. Thank you for watching this AARO Academy tutorial. Be sure to join us for the next tutorial, where we will delve into the key features and requirements of IFRS 18. And don't miss our third tutorial, which will cover the transition to IFRS 18 and industry-specific provisions. See you in the next video! For deeper insights and continued learning, AARO Academy offers a range of resources. Visit our website for expert-led webinars and interactive workshops tailored to help you navigate these changes effectively. Thank you for joining AARO Academy. We value your support and would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content and updates. Thank you!